Okay, let me share my screen. Guys can see that. Okay, close this. All right, let's start. So basically what we have done yesterday, we have a couple of virtual machine, and out of that virtual machine we have took this virtual machine as a example. And in this virtual machine, what we have done yesterday, we have taken a snapshot. From the snapshot, we have created a disk, and from the disk, we have replaced the existing disk, original disk, with a restore disk, right? And apart from that, second steps, what we have done, we have created a recovery vault, recovery service vault. In this recovery service vault, we have added virtual machine VM1 as a backup or as a recovery point, right? Now, how do we do that? We started with get starting blade, and in get started we choose that backup option. And secondly, that how do we check that which virtual machine is in my protected list? So I go in protected items, I click on backups. I can see that there is Azure virtual machine. There is one virtual machine which is in a protected list. Which one is that? That is my virtual machine VM1. Now, yesterday I have initiated backup manually, and also as per my policy, it should take a backup approximately at 3 a.m. right? Yep, 3 a.m. India time. So ideally I should have a two backups, right? I should have a two backups. So you can see that there's a two backups, one which we have manually manually we have initiated, and secondly that automatically as per the policy 3 a.m. it got initiated. Now let's assume this virtual machine which I have taken a backup, some way XYZ reason it got corrupt or someone have deleted, right? Could be both the options. Someone have deleted virtual machine, or someone already the virtual machine got corrupt, right? It could be any or it could be any possibilities. So how do I restore that virtual machine, right? So I can simply go to my recovery vault, backup. I'll go to my protected item, right? In the protected item, I'll see that how many virtual machine. There's a one virtual machine. I click on it, click on virtual machine. All right. I can see that there is a latest recovery points. I can have a two recovery points which I can restore. Now I can simply click on restore virtual machine. Here I have a two options. One, okay, first thing I have to select that which recovery point, which the automatically they can have a backup. So let's say that we are keeping a 30 days retention. So I will see 30 copies. So I'll have to decide whether which copy I have to retain, whether today's night or day before yesterday night or 4 days before night. That's up to you or your applications, right? So you will choose that which one you want to recover. So I can choose either this or either this, doesn't matter. All right, I have choose one option. I can create a new virtual machine from the backup itself. This is one option. So I have to give a new name for my virtual machine, right? What should be my virtual machine name? Let's say that VM1-restore, res, restore VM. All right. And where you want to keep it, which resource group, which network card, everything you have to decide and everything you have to provide. If you just want to create a new virtual machine, even the existing virtual machine is running, doesn't matter, right? So you can create a new virtual machine parallel to existing running virtual machine. This could be possible. Or sometimes what happened that you want to replace this existing virtual machine got corrupt and that is not working, but you want to maintain the IPs, you want to maintain the public IPs, and so many things is there. So you want to just replace that existing virtual machine. You simply can click on replace existing virtual machine, right? In the replacing option, you have a two option: replace the disk, or you can create an entire virtual machine. So I can choose replace a disk. Which location? Since we have deleted virtual machine, we cannot see that existing virtual machine. We already have deleted. So we have only one option: create a new. What do you want to create? A new virtual machine or just a disk? Just want to restore the disk. That could be possible. So I just don't want to create a virtual machine. I just want to see that data, compare the data. So I'll just create a disk, that scenario. But if you want to restore the complete virtual machine, I'll just create a new virtual machine. That's it. Now give VNet, subnet, right? I can provide a subnet, staging location. Okay, this is what staging location. Whenever you restore a disk, it's in a recovery vault in a compressed format. That you need to inflate, that you need to uncompress and keep it some storage account. So you have to create one storage account in same region, right? So which region it is? I believe this is east to west. I have to create one storage account in east to west first. So that will be my staging point where the compressed data will get extracted. Then from there, I will have a disk get created. I can choose any resource group, east west. Let's say that recovery storage account. Will it available? Let's see that. I think yes. I'll go with the standard only. I don't want to make it a geo replicant because it's just a restoration point. Just creating a one storage account. All right. Any questions, guys, so far? Any questions in the explanation process? How do we recover? Perfect, perfect. No questions. All right. So we have created storage account. Now let me restore. So I'll go to recovery vault again, same process. Then I'll go to my protected item. I'll see that one virtual machine is there. If I have multiple virtual machine, the count will be higher. Click on virtual machine, click on restore. Select the restoration point, which restoration point you want to take a recovery. Right now you can have a two option whether you can create a replace existing, or you can create a new. In the new, you have a two option again, that you can create a new virtual machine or just restore the disk. So I'll just create a virtual machine. VM1 restored VM. Right, I'll just choose a resource group. Now I can provide a staging location. This storage account will be just for the staging, nothing else. Now once I click restore, it will start preparing a virtual machine from the scratch. First, it will extract my disk to that storage account. From the storage account, it will create a new virtual machine. All right. So it says that okay, it has been triggered. I want to see that what is happening. So I can simply click on view all jobs, right? In the view all jobs, I can see that this virtual machine related all the jobs. This is only this virtual machine related because I'm looking from the this virtual machine panel. So if I click on all view all jobs, I can see that. But if I want to see, I have restored multiple virtual machine. I want to see that one where I have issue to go. I have to go on monitoring section. In the monitoring section, backup jobs. In the backup jobs, you can find out all virtual machine, whether it's a single virtual machine or multiple virtual machine. In this our scenario, we have only one virtual machine, but that could be any virtual machine. So if I want to go on details, I just click on see details. And here you can see that the entire job progress, it's 5% completed so far. In the next 10 minutes, it will be ready. So transferring data from the vault. So it has been transferred data from vault, uncompressed and keep it in my storage account. Now from the storage account, it's creating a new virtual machine. So let's see that. Can we see that in the storage account? Can we see any data? Right. I'll go here. I'll go in container. So I can see that something has been created. This is nothing but a two-page blob file. Right? Those are the page blob file. All the format is JSON, but those are the my page blob file. So those are the little less size as of now, right? And if I just open it here, okay, cannot see. So we cannot see data, I think so, but I believe we can see. No, we cannot see the data. Okay, that also get deleted. So I'll go to protected item, jobs. Registration has been completed. It's too quick to have it virtual machine ready. Now, if I can see that 100% job is completed, virtual machine has been created. Now, let me go and on virtual machine side, I can just refresh. I can see that this virtual machine are running straight. And definitely we don't have any data, but it's there. I believe me that data will be there. Trust me, that data will be there. Your all data will be ready with you. And both are the premium disks which we have attached. Any questions, guys, here on the registration of virtual machine? Any questions, guys? How to deploy storage account? Storage account is pretty simple. If you guys remember that we have created storage account multiple times. Just create, click on go to storage. So sorry, can you repeat your question, please? So you once you create it, all the storage account you can list here. So let me create a new storage account. Right. I'll say that this is my test account. In the same that should be in the same region. That's only one for concept. I'll just say that this is my test one submit account. You can choose any account that it create. It is just required any storage account. So now I have created one storage account, and when you go for the deployment, you'll see that one. All right, let's hope it should be there. All right, storage account is there. Now when I'm restoring my data in the protected item, when I click on restored, I just choose any recovery point. Come on, do it fast. Pretty slow here. Okay. I think my internet is slow. Can you hear me, guys? Okay, why I'm not able to load the page? Come on. All right. So you can find out easily. That doesn't require to. I think doesn't require to show. I'll show you later on. But the thing is that it automatically reflect over in the entire list. So you doesn't require to map any storage account. You don't need to configure storage account with Recovery Vault. It will just show the all the storage account. Come on, last try. Okay, let it be. All right. The next switch I want to show you it here that with respect to the same protected item, right? I go to my virtual machine, go to protected item. Come on, what's a protected item? I can just restore specific file rather than restoring entire virtual machine. I can restore only specific file from that which I have taken a backup. That option is file recovery. Come on. So I'll just go in the backup jobs. Okay, let me load completely from the scratch. Okay, now I just want to show that I can restore the completely rather than complete virtual machine. I can just simply restore specific file. Simply I have to choose a same which data which recovery point I want to choose it. I can choose anyone which is more relevant to me. Now I have to download this executable script, right? That script I I have to run that script I have to run on my local laptop on anywhere which I want to see the data. So this script will be mounted for 24 hours and let it download the script. Not yet downloaded. So after downloading the script, I will be having some password. With while running the password, I have to run the script. Okay. So this way you can just see that folders and you can explore the folders and copy paste as a drive. This can be possible. So this is a way. Come on. Where is my executable? Download. Yes. Now I can download on desktop. Keep it here. I have a password, generating the password for that. Right. Let me run this. Now I need to enter the password. What is the password? Here it is generating the password. Wait for a second. Yeah, I don't have a charger today. Come on, why this gateway is not receiving response from the recovery to specific period of time? I don't have a charger today here. Sorry for that. I Come on. So let's run this script. Generate the script. Come on, come on, come on, come on, come on. Come on, why it's taking too much time? Okay, simply I just copy the password. Now I'll run the script and I have to provide a password, enter it. It is installing a lot of scripts in backend. Again asking the password. No, okay. Now it says that already connected. Let me see that where it's connected. So I'll just click here. I'll go to my computer. No, I cannot see, right? No. Okay. should show me here one drive as a map drive, which I can. I think this one was there. No, still not sure here. Okay, let me run that script again. Okay, here it's there. Think so. Okay, this is just a legal terms. Connection has been successfully connected. Alright. Hopefully I can see here this now. Let me refresh. Why I can't see that here? As for the script, it says that connection successful. I can see one Kazidis, one Kazidis already have prepared. Anyways, that could be my problem on my laptop. So what I'll do that I'll just simply quit this one and I'll run that the same script on my virtual machine. Now after the copying data, you have to just click on unmount here. Alright guys, so this is how you can explore it. Just try it out. If it doesn't work for you, do let me know. I can do it again from my by formatting my laptop. I think there's some thing is blocking on my laptop. Alright, or simply you can just try it out. If it doesn't work, then let me know. Right. So this is how you can restore specific file rather than storing the entire virtual machine. Any questions here, so guys? Any questions here so far? Any questions? Kiran says no, Shravan no, Ravinder no. Mahesh, are you good? Okay, perfect. No questions. The next concept, let me stop the recording first and start it again because I